Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another altered index card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and I'll have her link down below. Go and check out that hashtag, guys. There's so many people creating and posting on that hashtag. It is fabulous. So I am yet again creating with Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl here on YouTube, and she had released this kit not too long ago, and I'm still crafting with it, and I just love it. I just love it. So I altered an index card. It's a 4x6 index card. I used papers. There's a lot of things I've used to add to this. I used this sheet that had that pocket, this pocket here, but it was flat. But then I cut into the sheet and the index card to create this pocket. Isn't that cute? This is a piece of ephemera I had that I just stuck there. This is one sheet of paper, and then I cut into it so I could make a pocket to add these pieces of the paper from her kit. That's why I have another piece of index card in the back, because I cut into it. So then I used this sheet, oh my gosh, where it has the dresses and the hats, and I fussy cut them, but I did a modification on the doll. Okay, the doll was kind of short. So what I did was I layered the I don't know what the one piece that she had her pantaloons, I guess, and I laid this dress to her, but I had to like cut her in half so I could move her legs down, because if I left it, the dress would have covered her toes. So I just modified it a little bit. I cut into the hat so I could fit it on her head, because the hats are like this, right? So I cut into this line here so I could stick it onto, lay it on to her head. I wish there was one that didn't have bows in her hair, because here's a headband. I guess you could cut this off and then lay the headband on it. Yeah, I guess you can still do it. You can still use it. Yeah, I think you still can use it. And this one's going to be interesting how to do it, because she has one here, and I don't know how I would Frankenstein that. But it's fun to figure things out. I don't know. And then I pop dot her, so she's kind of dimensional, raised up from the background. I added another piece of her ephemera. I added, some twine. The strawberry. I should add some like glossy accents or something. I added my faux vintage tape. Yeah, I just love how this turned out. And then here, I laid another piece of index card. I think this is a 3x5. So I can, I added another pocket in the background here. but it was mainly for this pocket here. So I love how that turned out. So that is my make for hashtag Deck the Year. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.